In this short video, I'll show you how to control who can see your WhatsApp profile photo to enhance your privacy and security. Many WhatsApp users worry about strangers, spammers, or even specific contacts seeing their profile pictures. This can lead to unwanted attention, privacy concerns, or even scams. Imagine having complete control over who views your profile photo, only trusted friends, family, or specific contacts. We're going to see the easy way to do this so you avoid unnecessary exposure and feel more secure online. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started on how to control who can see your WhatsApp profile photo. To start, open WhatsApp on your device and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then navigate to Privacy. Here, you'll see the option labeled Profile Photo. Tap on it. WhatsApp gives you 4 privacy options for your profile photo. If you select Everyone, your profile picture is visible to all WhatsApp users, even those who aren't in your contacts. If you go for My Contacts, only people saved in your phone's contacts can see your profile photo. If you want to prevent certain individuals from seeing your photo, select My Contacts Except, then choose the contacts you want to exclude. Finally, selecting Nobody means your profile photo is hidden from everyone. Choose the option that best suits your privacy needs. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with additional tips to enhance your WhatsApp privacy. If you want even more control, consider adjusting other privacy settings like Last Seen, About Info, and Status Privacy. These settings can be customized the same way, ensuring only the right people have access to your personal details. To explore more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.